You just got paid in Bitcoin. That's cool. But now what? How do you report it? Track it? Value it? Spoiler, it's not just income, it's a potential tax bomb if you're not careful. If you're a freelancer, startup, or SaaS founder accepting crypto, this video is your lifeline to staying profitable and staying out of IRS trouble. I'm Andrew from Blu Hat Bookkeeping, where we turn crypto chaos into clean books and smarter tax strategies. Today, I'm breaking down how to do your accounting when your clients pay in Bitcoin, ETH, USDC, or anything else on-chain. Here's mistake number one, I see all the time. Business owners treat crypto like cash. But to the IRS, it's property. That means every time you receive crypto, you have to record the fair market value in US dollars on that day, not what it's worth later. That's your income. Example, a client pays you 0.05 BTC for a website. On that day, it's worth $3,000. Boom, you just earned $3,000 in income. Now here's the twist. If you hold that crypto and it goes up and you later sell or use it, you also owe capital gains tax. So your simple $3,000 payment turns into a tracking nightmare if you don't log your basis and sale price correctly. Spend crypto on a tool, pay a contractor in ETH or swap tokens. Each of those is a taxable event. Now let's talk about USDC, the darling of SaaS companies and freelancers. Since it's pegged to the dollar, many assume it's not taxable. It's still property per IRS rules. So even though price doesn't fluctuate like BTC or ETH, you still have to record it as income when received. Good news? No capital gains issues unless you're swapping it for other tokens or holding it in DeFi. So how do you actually track all this without losing your mind? You need a bookkeeping system that does three things. 1. Records income at the US dollar fair value when received. 2. Tracks your cost basis if you hold crypto after payment. 3. Logs disposal or usage for gains or losses. We recommend using crypto integrated accounting tools or pairing QuickBooks or Xero with a tracker like Coin Tracking or Coinly. And yes, wallets matter. If you're receiving payments in multiple wallets or blockchains, you need to consolidate that data. It's not optional if you want accurate books. We had a SaaS founder client who took ETH for subscriptions he never converted to US dollars. After 6 months, the price doubled. Guess what? He owed income tax on the ETH when he received it and capital gains on what he held. He didn't track either. We spent 40 hours reconstructing every transaction. Don't let that be you. Here's your crypto accounting cheat sheet. Every payment equals income at fair market value in US dollars. Hold it, you track basis. Sell it, capital gain. Use crypto for expenses, that's a disposal, taxable. Stablecoins are still taxable, just less volatile. Use the right tools or get help. This isn't spreadsheet-friendly accounting anymore. Look, crypto can make you look cool, but clean books and smart taxes? That makes you profitable. If you're accepting crypto in your business and want help getting it right, click below, book a call with us at Blu Hat Bookkeeping, and let's make sure your IRS story has a happy ending. Hit like if this was helpful, subscribe for more crypto accounting tips, and book a free call below if your business needs help tracking Bitcoin or cleaning up your crypto books.